खुश रहो बिटिया। नमस्ते, कैसे हैं आप लोग? माय नेम इज दीपक गंगवा, स्टैंड प्रोफेसर इन ज्योति विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी. So we were studying of sales tax, and till now what we have seen what is the meaning of sales tax, and what are the rate of sales tax, what are the forms in sales tax, what are registered dealers, what is declared goods, and what are the liability of turnover. So all we have seen. Now we will see the levy and collection of tax and penalties. If someone does not make CST, then what will be the penalty? Okay. So the taxable payable by any dealer under this act on sales of goods affected by him in the course of interstate trade or commerce, which is which such sales fall will clause. Next, a clause of section 3 shall be levied by the government of India, and the tax so levied shall be collected by that government in accordance with the provision of subsection 2 in the state from which the movement of the goods commenced, provided that in the case of sales of goods during their movement in one state to another, being a sale subsequent to the first sale in respect of same goods, being is also a sale which does not fall within subsection of 2 of section 6, this tax shall be levied and collected where such. So what are the procedure where such subsequent sales have been effected by a registered dealer in the state from which the registered dealer obtained, or as the case may be could have obtained, the firm prescribed for the purpose of 3 subsection 4 of section 8 in connection with the purchase of such goods, and where such subsequent sales have been effected by an unregistered dealer in the state form which such subsequent sales have been effected, sub- subject to the other provisions of this act and the rules made there under the authorities for the being empowered to assess, collect and enforce payment and any other tax, general sales tax, law of the appropriate state shall, on behalf of Government of India, assess, reassess, collect and enforce payment of tax, including any form, interest or penalty payable by a dealer under the Act, if the tax or for interest or penalty payable by such a dealer and such a dealer under this act is tax for payable under this dealer is such a payable general sales tax law of state. For this purpose, this may exercise all of the powers they have under the general sales tax of the state. The provision of such law including provisions relating to returns, provisional assessment, advance payment of tax, registration of transfer of any business, imposition of the tax, liability of person, and the appeals, review, revision, references, compounding all offences, treatment of document furnished by a dealer as confidential shall apply accordingly, provided that if it is an any state or part, there is no general sales tax law enforced. The central government may be rules made in this behalf, make necessary provisions for all any of matters specified the subsection. So, excluding the provisions relating to the matters published for an offense, but excluding the provisions relating to the matters provided in section 10. So, as where a tax under such tax law, the tax payable by any dealer under this act is not paid in time, the dealer shall be liable to pay interest for delayed payment of such tax. All the provisions for delayed payment, such tax, all the provisions relating to due date for payment of tax, rate of interest, and delayed payment of tax. The general sales tax law of each course state shall apply in related to due date of payment of tax, rate of interest for delayed payment of tax, and assessment and collection of interest for delayed payment for tax under this act in such states if the tax interest payable under this act were tax and interest under such tax law. The proceeds in any financial year or any tax including an interest or penalty levied and collected under this act in any state other than a union territory on behalf of the government of India shall be assigned to the state and shall be retained by it. The proceeds attributable to union territories shall form a part of consolidated fund of India. So these notes I will upload on your portal. I hope you understood all these things. And if you have any query, then if you have any query or suggestion, please give write in comment section. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much. This session was powered by 2.0 Digital 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth University. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Stay in home. Stay safe. Thank you very much.